Hi, my name is Todd. I have a Fit 2008 Trail Series Pro, 14mm front and back, stolen revolver back rim. I recommend it because it withstands a lot from what I do. It's not really bent at all. I had it for about a month and whatnot. I have a 25.9 premium Norster sprocket, $40 on Dance Comp. I have a gold half-link mechanic chain for $21 on Dance Comp as well. The back rim was only $89, and I think I got my money's worth for it. I have a Shadow Conspiracy back tire, and these pedals, I bought them at a local bike shop, and pretty much they suck because they worn down. They're Animal Hamilton pedals. I don't recommend them. They wear down and they break way too fast. They squeak now, everything. Now the front rim is just a plain Alienation black rim. It's laced to like the stock hub. It's not really anything special. I have an Odyssey front tire. I have stock forks, stock handlebars. They have 8.25 rise to them with Audi long neck grips on them. I bought those from Dance Comp as well. I have Shadow Conspiracy bearings in right now, $27 on Dance Comp, and they're actually, I do recommend them because they're actually really well. I like them, and that's about it. Everything else is stock on this. It rides nice. I recommend a Fit because it withstands a lot to what anything can do. It's made out of steel. I know it's probably a little heavier than most. It sits higher because it's a trail series. But I guess that's it.